Okay, welcome to the next vlog. As you saw in the previous video, I've bought some like sports things. Obviously, these are what have come today, so I'm going to do some challenge videos with these. Yeah, we'll just see how this pans out. I was a bit gutted, I wish they were a bit bigger, but never mind. But yeah. Yeah, but they are good. I had a bit of a play downstairs with them, but you know what I'm like. I ended up more or less breaking something, but never mind. So first off, we'll start with the football challenges with a tumble dryer. But before we do that, obviously, I love my football. Bolton Wanderers are playing in an hour, so come on you, Whites. I don't know if I'll make it into the Bolton squad anytime soon. Yeah, so show you some football challenges as well as washing machine ones as well. Yeah, I'm in my full-on Bolton kit today, so oh bugger. Let me do some challenge videos. Challenge videos. Ooh, bugger. Ooh. Ooh. I don't think that'll go down very well, but don't worry, there's another one. But yeah, I've got quite a lot of balls. I'll just show you a few of them before we start the football one. We've got, I think that's a tennis ball, netball. I don't know what the bloody hell that is. No, I think this is a cricket one. So yeah, I'll try and do some. And I think that's a rugby one as well. Looks like a bloody Easter egg, that one. Yeah, so we'll crack on with this video, and obviously we'll see how this pans out. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, welcome. Yeah, as you saw on the intro, I'm doing the football challenges today. So we're going to use the football and tumble dryer. So I've got a camera in the utility room for a good shot, and also this one as well. So I'll split screen the video so you can see exactly all the angles and that. So yeah, I really hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. This is the football penalty shootout, by the way, I'm doing. So what the aim of the game is to hit it into that tumble dryer, whether I should do it from here or there. So what I'm going to do is probably do best of 5, I don't know. But what I'm going to do, they're not that hard, are they? So I'm just testing to see how heavy they were, but yeah, it won't put dents in the dryer. So yeah, we'll crack on with the video. So yeah, I hope we've got working lights and singing. So let's kick off the video and do the challenges. So I really hope this has turned out well, because this is a good video. So I don't know, can you see it okay? I'll try and do it. I'm not that good. If I make it to the Bolton squad, that is a world record, so do you know what? Do you know what I'm going to have to do? I'm going to have to put some towels around here on this banister, because the last thing I need is for it to go downstairs. There we go. Yeah. Just reduced the amount of yeah. I forgot about this, you know. We'll get there. I didn't think about this, you know, but that should be right enough now, so we'll crack on. Let's aim for the tumble dryer. Let me get there. Ooh. Stay there. Try again. Ooh! That's a start. turn the washer off. So yeah, that went a very good one. Been torn from the bloody dry now. Try and open it wide. Ooh! I'm gonna have to just so it doesn't go rolling. I ended up nearly behind the washer then. It ended up in the basket though. But not in the bloody tumble dryer. So we'll give this another go. Ooh. Come on, I think this is a hard one, you know, just trying to go from practice. Again. Penalty shootout in a bloody wash basket. Ooh. Oh bugger, it's gone downstairs, just bear with me. That should have happened somewhere down the line, but don't worry. What do we do at Bolton games? We'll always have a spare ball with us. Like this. So what I'm going to try and match on with a bit closer. Just bear with me. Look at that. I'm not doing very well. Come on. I want to aim for this. Not quite. Getting there. Ooh. I think this is the right angle. Ooh, not bad. I'm getting a bloody sweat on already. Football. Ooh. Not bad. Not bad. Let's do it. I'm gonna small. Nope. Gotta get ready now. We'll get there. Yeah. This is harder than I thought. If it was a bigger ball, I'd have more of a chance. Do you know what? Shall I aim for it? Ooh. Goal! That's one. Best of 5, come on. Ooh. We'll try and do it here for the yeah. Ooh, not bad. But it's not behind the washer. Something to be said for it. Oh. Look at that. I'm just opening the drive door. At least we've got one in. Right. Ooh. Nearly. That was a good one. think I need to do it a bit quicker. If I can do it. Ooh. This is harder than I thought, you know, bloody hell. Well, it went in a box. There's about 10 minutes into this video, bloody hell. Whoa! That's 2-0! But no words to bloody hell. There we go. It's all them with the others. So this video has been going just under 10 minutes and I've got 2 in. Three. I think we should just count it with the wash basket. What do you reckon? Ooh. We'll get there. Just open my tumble dryer again. Ready? Flick it. Ooh, not quite. Not quite. I will end up dancing it like that, but never mind. Keep at it. Do you know what? Excuse me. Shall we head it? Head the ball. Yeah, what you do in football is head a ball, don't you? There's not just kicking it, so. That's actually easier. Ooh. I'm gonna end up knocking myself out here on the bloody wall or something. Let's go. Ooh! That nearly went in. Get in! Is that 3-0? Do you know what, I had to be careful I didn't bang my noggin on that. That was really good believe that. Shall we do it? Ooh! Nearly! But not quite. This is a decent video, this. Do you know what, headers are better than football? You ready? Do you know what? I think we should do a PE lesson. What do you reckon? If you're from the UK, you'll probably remember this song from your childhood if you ever watched it. Use your feet, use your head, knock the ball into the net, do the shimmy. Oh yeah, I think the ball went down the stuff. By the way, that's Boogie Boobies. If you didn't know what that is, it was a serious show back in the day, so yeah. Excuse me. We're up to 3 goals now. That's gone behind her. So yeah, use your feet, use your head, knock the ball into the net and do the shimmy. They're the catchphrases. These are Boogie Boobies songs. I know I'm about 27 and I'm acting like a bloody 2-year-old. Whoa. Bloody hell. Whoa. Okay. Right, I've done 3 now. I think best of 3's more than ample. We won't do best of 5. And I have to say, bloody hell, that was very challenging. So yeah, I hope you like this challenge video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, turn those post notifications on. This is a penalty shootout challenge. I don't think I'll be making it to the Bolton squad anytime soon, but yeah, I do. Yeah, look at me. I look like I should join the Bolton squad here. By the way, Service My Car, sponsor this video. That'd be good. Yeah, this is Bolton One just sponsored, by the way, Service My Car for this season. So yeah, so that's the Mac. Ooh, I'm pointing the wrong way. That's the Mac One logo as well. That's who do the shirts and shorts and that. And so yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Bloody hell. Yeah, this has been a challenge video, a football challenge video with a tumble dryer. Yeah, so I only got those today, those balls, but I'm very disappointed that I thought they would have been a lot bigger, but never mind. Never mind, but we'll get there. So yeah, that's the first penalty shootout. If you want more of these, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.